Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download index data, or it could be S&P, it could be Nifty, it could be any stock data with the Python application. So today I'm going to show you how you can do with the Python application. So under this folder I have created one CSV file where I have listed all the index names and their stock ticker symbols. So this ticker symbols using which I can get the data for this. So once you do that, okay, let me close this. Now let me create a new file for the Python application, and let me rename it to .py, which is for the Python extension. Let me open this file. Okay, so here what we are going to do is we are going to import pandas, and we are also going to so the pandas library, we are going to use it for reading the CSV file, and we are going to get the Yahoo Finance Python library. And so in order to install this library, you can use this command pandas and y finance. So right now I have these libraries, but if you want to install, you can use these commands. Let me just run these commands in my application. So let me open the terminal. Okay, I mean the requirements are already satisfied, so I don't need to install this again. So now I can just go back, and now what we basically need is we basically want to read this data from the file that we have created. So major indexes .csv. Here now I have read the data. I also need to configure the columns. So index, I want to define, let me just define some index. Now let me create another variable for reading the index info. So from the index data I want to read. Okay, so now from the index info I can get the symbol name. Okay, let me print the symbol name so far, what we are up to. So let me run this application. So open your terminal and click type by and get stock data. Okay, so it's able to get a print as the symbol name. Okay, now going back to our application. Okay, so downloaded index data. So I'm going to use the Yahoo Finance library for downloading the symbol information. So here I'll define the interval as 5 minutes and for the 1 day. Okay, so now here my Yahoo Finance library is going to download this, but I need to make sure that I save this information. So let me save this. Okay, so let me go back and run this. Okay, there seems to be some seems like, okay, here I need to give the period that I've defined. So I'll go back. So here I'll define period equals 1 day. Now go by get data. Okay, I'm missing some information there. Okay. Okay, so it seems like it is successfully able to download, and let me go back to the folder. Okay, so here we see that there is a downloaded.xlsx file that's downloaded. Let me open this. Okay, seems like I'm supposed to give a different extension. Okay, I have changed the extension to .csv. Let's try it again. Okay, let me go back to the folder. Okay, so I'm successfully able to download the data for the Nifty bank. So similarly, you can download it for the other tickers here. So you should be able to do the other stuff with this. So that's all for this video. I hope you really like this. So let me know in comments if you need any other tutorials in Python. I'll be bringing in some more for you guys. Thanks for watching.